Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a comparison between two common household tools that may seem similar but serve very different purposes. The heat gun and the hair dryer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about how these tools stay up, we'll break down the differences in power, versatility, and safety. By the end, you'll know exactly when to reach for a heat gun and when a hair dryer will do the trick. Let's get started. A heat gun is a powerful tool used for a variety of heavy-duty tasks. It operates at much higher temperature than a hair dryer, typically ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. This high heat output makes the heat gun ideal for tasks like stripping paint, shrinking plastic wrap, loosening adhesive, thawing frozen pipes, or even soldering. Because of the extreme temperatures, heat guns are often used in construction, automotive repair, and crafts. Unlike hair dryers, heat guns typically have adjustable temperature settings, giving you precise control over the level of heat. They also offer various nozzles that allow you to direct the airflow more effectively. Depending on the task, it's important to note that heat guns can be dangerous if not used properly, as the high temperatures can easily cause burns or damage material. A hair dryer, on the other hand, is a much more common household device designed for personal grooming. Its primary function is to dry hair by blowing hot or warm air at relatively low temperatures, typically between 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Hair dryers are equipped with safety features like a thermal cutoff, which automatically shuts down the device if it overheats. Hair dryers generally come with multiple settings for heat and airflow, making them versatile for styling. They're designed to be gentle enough to be used close to the skin without causing burns. However, hair dryers lack the intense heat required for tasks that demand more power, like removing paint or melting plastic. The most significant difference between a heat gun and a hair dryer is the temperature. While a hair dryer may reach temperatures high enough to dry your hair, it falls far short of the intensity offered by a heat gun. This temperature difference makes each tool suited for different tasks. If you'd attempted to use a hair dryer for something like stripping paint, you'd be left waiting for hours with no success. On the flip side, using a heat gun to dry your hair could lead to serious burns and even hair damage. Another difference lies in the airflow control. Heat guns offer more precision with interchangeable nozzles and specific temperature settings, making them suitable for delicate tasks where too much or too little heat could ruin your work. Hair dryers, in contrast, are designed for consistent, widespread airflow and don't offer the same level of control. For DIY projects, the heat gun is your best bet for high heat jobs. Stripping paint, thawing pipes, or reshaping plastic are just a few tasks that require the power of a heat gun. However, remember to use caution due to the high temperatures involved. Always wear safety gear and keep flammable materials away from the work area. Hair dryers, on the other hand, are perfect for personal care and light tasks. Besides drying hair, they can be used for quick fixes like drying wet clothes in a pinch or removing wrinkles from fabric. Just keep in mind that a hair dryer is not designed for heavy-duty work and won't perform well in situations that demand high heat. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped clear up the differences between a heat gun and a hair dryer. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tool tips and DIY guides. Let us know in the comments which tool you use more often.